Welcome to NDE 2025, the largest and most influential gathering in the world of non-destructive evaluation and enabling technologies. At NDE 2025, we're pushing the boundaries of innovation, showcasing the latest advancements in NDE and enabling technologies. New industry-specific tracks will tackle the latest challenges in sectors like aviation, railways, defense, metal, automation, and more. This is where the next big ideas take shape. Why should you exhibit at NDE 2025? The answer is simple. Showcase your brand at India's iconic Jio World Convention Centre, world-class, central, and built to impress. Exhibit at NDE 2025 with fully fabricated stands, free shuttle service, hands-on learning, and direct access to your prospects. With extended exhibition hours during the gala dinner, and position your company at the forefront of NDE innovation. Don't miss out. Reserve your spot today for NDE 2025 and be part of the next wave of NDE innovation.